Mr. Score. Incredible ball. 10 minutes and 27 seconds. Mr. Takot now. Wala. Takot ulit. Takot. 1 point. 10 minutes and 20 seconds. Bugarin now. Bugarin. Bugarin. Bumidiskarte. Pass to Mr. Pascual. Mr. Pascual. Full of J. 1 point. Mr. Lopez. Tumira ng dos. No good. Nakuha ni Mr. Takot. 8 to shoot. Takot. No good. Nakuha ni Mr. Sugaste. Sugaste now. 10 minutes. Takot. Wala. Nakuha ni Mr. Bugarin. Who's bullet? Bugarin now. Sugaste now. Sugaste. Dumidiskarte. Sugaste. No good. Nakuha Mr. Bakun. Who's bullet? Number 5, Mr. Pascual. And second team foul. Official score. Top 3 in favor of Team Incredible. 9 minutes and 25 seconds. Ako, there's still no good. Rebound by Mr. Pascual. Pascual now. Pass to Mr. Bugarin. Bugarin. Nakay Mr. Pakun. Pakun now. Ginagamitan ang manawan. Foul, labas na ba, Mr. Bugarin? Third team foul. Sugaste now. Sugaste. Then to shoot. Sugaste. Wala. Nakuha Mr. Pascual. 9 minutes set. Sugaste. Pass to Mr. Lopez. Then to shoot. Mr. Lopez. Iwan ang banday. Mr. Lopez. Bugarin now. Bugarin. Pass to Mr. Kabile. Kabili now. No good. 8 minutes and 41 seconds. Bakun. Pass to Mr. Lopez. Bakulat. Bakun. No good. Mr. Bakulat. Good back. Bugarin. Bumidiskarte. Bugarin. Ginawa ng katawan. 1 point. Sugaste. No good. Nakuha ni Mr. Lopez. Lopez now. Pass to Mr. Bakun. And to shoot. Lopez. Tumira ng una. No good. Nakuha ni Mr. Pascual. Pass to Mr. Bugarin. Bugarin. Bumidiskarte. Offensive foul by number 7. Extending bad elbow. Offensive foul. Fourth team foul by Team DBC. Fourth. Maaga yan. Shout out kay Mr. Gadilayo. Lopez. Lopez. Bumiskarte. Lopez. 1 point. Mr. Kabili now. Pass to Mr. Bugarin. Bugarin. Pass to Pascual. Pascual now. 1 point. Castro. 2 points rather. Castro. Pass to Mr. Lopez. Who's last touch yet? Kabili now, pass to Mr. Bugarin. Bugarin, bumidiskarte, pass to Mr. Kabili. Foul, basket down, goes forward. Foul number 8. Second team foul. 7 minutes and 50 seconds. The official score. 8-7. Kabili. Deadlock na ang laban, mga kaibigan. Sugaste. Rushing by Mr. Bugarin. Pass to Mr. Castro. Castro. Castro ulit. No good. Castro ulit. Castro. Nakuha ni Mr. Lopez. Lopez. 1 point. Pascual now. 7 minutes and 30 seconds. And down to shoot. Pass to Mr. Kabile. Kabile. Block by Mr. Castro. Rebound by Mr. Sugaste. Sugaste. Not clear the ball. Official score 8-9 favor of Team Incredible. Kabile! Kabile now! 1 point! Oh! Denmark mga kaibigan! Sugaste! Sugas na Castro! Castro ulit! Castro naman! Ako gusto Pascual! Pascual now! Gusto Bukarin! Bukarin! Sulaksak! Dumiskarte! Ako gusto Pascual! Intercept by Mr. Lopez! Lopez now! Tumira ng dos! No good! What a box out by Mr. Pascual! Bukarin now! Pass to Mr. Pascual! Pascual now! Tumira ng dos! No good! Ako Mr. Castro! Castro! Pass to Lopez! Timeout! 6 minutes and 28 seconds. Bukarin, dribbling the ball. Bukarin now. Bukarin on the scatter. Take a shoot. Pass to intercept by Mr. Lopez. Lopez now. Pass to Mr. Castro. Castro. Block by Mr. Dalawa. Pass to Mr. Bakun. Bakun na naman. Bakun. Number 15, handshake foul. 50 foul.
Bilis, takbo ka na, bilis.
For now, 6 minutes and 19 seconds. Bakun. Bakun now. Bakun. Joe. Boss Joe, it's good. Mr. Pascual, pass to Mr. Candela, intercept by Mr. Castro. Now on Mr. Bakun, sa balaksak. Bakun, Bakun ulit. Iwan pa lang, official score. Ilan ang ibang team incredible. Bukarin, 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 Bukarin ulit. Iwan pa lang. Bakun now. Castro, pass to Bakun, 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 Bakun ulit. Intercept by Mr. Touch by Mr. Pascual in 5 minutes and 38 seconds. Official score, 11-9. Lopez, silaksak, 1 point. Bukarin, Bukarin, pass to Mr. Kabile. Kabile, spinot, no good. Nakari Mr. Castro. Castro now, tumira ng toss, no good. Nakari Mr. Bukarin. 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Bukarin, pass to Mr. Kabile. 10 to shoot, 8 to shoot. Foul. Candelario, no good. Pass to Mr. Bukarin. Pass to Mr. Lopez. Pass to Castro. Castro, 1 point. Nakari Mr. Bukarin. Official score. Carpenter will team incredible. 7 to shoot. Candelario plays a lead by Mr. Castro. Lopez. Lopez now. Lopez. 9% to Mr. Candelario. Japan defenders goal. PTC ball. 4 minutes and 57 seconds. Bukarin now, pass to Mr. Kabile. Kabile, pass to Mr. Candelario. 8 to shoot. No good. Foul. Uspaleta by the team. And a blocking foul. Foul foul. Foul number 13. 30 foul. Bukarin, pasto si Kabile. Kabile, silaksak, pasto si Candelario. Candelario, pass. Touch left. Incredible ball. Incredible ball. Sugaste. Sugaste, pass to Castro. Castro. 8 to shoot. Castro na, 5, 4. Castro, pumilip sa dos. Castro, 2 points. Rebound by Mr. Bukarin. Bukarin, pass to Kabile. Kabile, nakapoy, na good. Tawala Mr. Castro ulit. Castro na, official score. Castro, 2 points. Pass to Bukarin.
2 points sila.
No good. Mr. Castro. Castro now. Castro, tumulong ang tres. Castro! Super passer. 19-9. Foul. Castro. Left foul. Last two by Team Incredible. 14 foul and to the ball. Green pursue, good. Absurd, ako down. Ako, jumping the ball to the discard. Try to shoot. 8, 7. Castro, no good. Green, Castro sa kabila. Kabila, 1 point. Tapon now. Pakun, jumping the ball, time to shoot. Pakun now. 8 to shoot. Pakun. Pakun na white, tawag sa kabila, pasok sa Bugarin, time to shoot. Bugarin, pasok sa kabila, kabila. 1 point, official score. 19-12. PBC ball. Time out with Incredible. Official score, 19-12. Bugarin. Mukhang mahali portion ka na. Bugarin now. Bugarin, doing the scatter. Sa isa ka mo, block by Mr. Castro. Kabila, 1 point, 19-14. Push forward. PBC ball. Last pass by Mr. Sugasta. Your legs. 3 minutes and 14 seconds. Bugarin now. Kabila. Robot. Castro, Mr. Pakun. Good link up. Naval. Captain Jenny Bigler. Last one. Incredible. Bugarin, pass to Mr. Kabile. Kabile now, 1 point. Castro now, dribbling the ball. Castro, pass to Mr. Sugaste.